Welcome to Integrated Electronics. Today we will take a look at Samtec comprehensive lineup of RF interconnect solutions, including cables, connectors, and high-frequency components. Starting on the right, we have the SMA Cables and Connectors card. These high-performance interconnect solutions are designed for reliable RF signal transmission and are rated at 50 ohms, making them suitable for a wide range of communication, test, and measurement applications. The card showcases various SMA cable assemblies and connector options that support standard cable mates. Here is a matching sample cable assembly featuring both right-angle and straight SMA connectors attached to a micro-coax cable line. This configuration demonstrates the flexibility of Samtec's cable solutions, making it well-suited for high-frequency systems and test environments. Moving left, the MCX Cables and Connectors card shows options for surface mount, mixed technology, and edge mount options. They are available for both 50 and 75 ohm systems. Next is the MMCX series, featuring exceptionally small form factor right angle and straight PCB jacks designed for applications where board space is at a premium. These compact RF connectors provide reliable performance while enabling high-density layouts in modern electronic systems. The adjacent card shows an MMCX straight jack configuration alongside its corresponding right-angle component plug variant. Like the MCX family, they support both surface mount and mixed technology implementations, giving designers greater flexibility. Here we can see various flexible cable assembly configurations designed to mate with these ultra-miniature micro-pitch board connectors. The display highlights multiple cable lengths and connector orientations, demonstrating the versatility of the system across different application requirements. These compact assemblies are ideal for high-density electronic designs where space is limited. Moving down to the micro-high-frequency RF line, we have the U.FL and W.FL series. These tiny connectors mate with 0.81 mm and 1.13 mm cables. Beside them are the standard MCX cables and connectors, a versatile RF interconnect solution designed for reliable signal transmission in compact applications. This product family includes through-hole, mixed technology, and right-angle connector options. Finally, on the far left, we have the robust BNC cables and connectors line. Designed for dependable RF and high-speed signal transmission, these connectors feature 75 ohm optimized jacks and plugs that support data rates of up to 12 gigabits per second. Lastly, let's look at this ultra-micro cable assembly. This component utilizes micro-miniature RF connections engineered for space-constrained electronics.